Let's go! Crispy Ritos, sponsored by Crispy Ritos, ang laging libre ni Boss Bino. Let's go!
Tapos kinig natin dito kung saan yung may pinakamagandang pwesto para mas maganda yung fitment ng fight natin. Pero kung sa
Let's go! Pass to Benon. Pass to number 0. Taking 2 po. Wala. Rebound by Wemby. Wemby. Dumidiskarte. Bago mag-scatter. Kitos. 10 seconds to shoot. Taking 3 by Buko. 2 points by Mikey Nepomo Baby. Rebound by Mikey Nepo Baby. Rebound by wearing white shirt.
Nepo baby, Nep.
Wala. Rebound by number 0. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Mikey Nepo Baby. 20 seconds to shoot. Easy 2 points by Tito. Nepo Baby versus Baby Ko. Laban ng dalawa kong baby. Passing number Lexi. Lexi taking 3. Bang! 3 points by Lexi. Good.
Ang ina mo yung ano.
Number 28. Pass to number 13. Number 10 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Lexi. Pass to number 2. Yung layup. Easy 2 points. Change favor. 5-4. Wemby. Pass to Nepo Baby. Wala. Rebound by Lexi. Kakaray mo. Magkakaray. Lexi. Pass to Pinto. Out of bounds. 7 minutes and 15
Ano?
seconds.
Nalilipat mo yung ano na yan? Ba nalilipat mo yung gulong na yan? Ito. Oh, nalilipat yan. Hindi pantay upo.
Out of bounds.
Nakikita ba sa video? Hindi.
2 points. 6-5. Change favor. Lexi. Pass to number 2. Number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by number 28. Dumidiskarte. Pass to Mikey. Easy 2 points by Mikey Nepo Baby. Sidestep. Easy 2 points by Lexi. 8-7 in favor of Mikey Nepo Baby.
Sinuntok na yun. Di ba si baby?
Sinuntok ng isa kong baby. Ding buds. 15 seconds to shoot na lang po mga master. Seconds to shoot. Taking 3 by Buko. Rebound by Mikey Nepo Baby. Rebound by Wemba Nyawa. Out of bounds. 7-8 in favor of... Hindi. Kila Nepo Baby. Yan na, change favor. 9-8 in favor of isa kong baby. Intercepted by Lexi. Foul. Same ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Pumutok ulit yung noo. 15 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Burgos. Nilayap. Wala. Rebound by Quintos. Wala ulit. Wemby. Wala ulit. 15 seconds to shoot again. Quintos. Wala. Rebound by Lexi. 9-8 in favor of Team Lexi. Taking 2 points. Wala. Rebound by Mikey Nepo, baby. Pass to Wemby. Pass to Burgos. Easy 2 points. Cage favor. 10-9. 1.8 by Boko. Rebound by Boko. Foul. 17 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Number 0. Pass to Lexi. Dumi discounted. Wala. Foul. Foul. First personal foul by Buko. Benoy taking 3 points. 3 points by Benoy. 13-12, 2-point lead by Team Benoy. Pass to Whitey. Pass to Lexi. Tinignan pa. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Dumidiskarte, bumangga. 2 points by Burgos. Number 2, taking long 2. Wala. Rebound by. Score. Oh, last shot before change. Last possession before change. Good.
Change for